Hey everybody, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and today we're going to go over the maintenance technician job, but really a career opportunity. That's what it is, okay? I've been here since the company's inception in 2013, and I've seen this position evolve for the better. And now, yes, it's very busy as a position, but it's also very forgiving and very flexible. Now that's key in today's society. People like you want to be able to make their own schedule, and that's what this position does. So let's give you an example, right? You wake up in the morning, say you wake up at 8 o'clock, say you wake up at 6 o'clock. You jump on the software and you say, I want X, Y, and Z jobs. You get to pick your jobs. That's the first bonus. We are not assigning them. You're not getting stuck with things that you necessarily don't like or you don't know how to do, okay? All of our guys that work here, they wake up every morning and they cherry pick. Okay, I like painting, I like cleaning, I like pest control. That's what they do. And then the other guy says, I like electrical, changing outlets, changing light fixtures. And the other guy says, I like unclogging sinks. Whatever it is that you like or prefer, for the most part, you get to pick. So the flexibility and the preference is there for you. The second thing is, based on the work, the jobs that you select, your pay is a direct reflection of that. So again, you're in charge of your own ship here. If you want to work 16 hours a day and do 10 jobs, by all means, go ahead. But if you want to do 2 in a day, because you got a doctor's appointment or your son or daughter has a little league game, you got to leave early, that's okay as well. So your schedule ebbs and flows depending on what you want. You're not paid salary. You're not paid by the direct hour, 40 hours a week. You're paid for performance. So each and every job that you successfully complete, you get paid for. So it motivates you directly and indirectly to be as efficient as possible. So some days, for example, here in Rhode Island, one of our technicians might do 6 jobs in Woonsocket because they're all close together. And then the next day, he might do 6 jobs in West Warwick because, again, they're all close together. So you get to pick your schedule, minimize your driving, minimize that travel time, and that's wasted time for the most part. So that's a huge, huge benefit there. And on top of that, each and every office will differ, but you also have the option to contribute to a 401k plan. All right? Get a match. Beautiful. And on top of that, after you become a vested employee, paid time off. So here in Rhode Island, our guys are getting paid time off credits. They're contributing to their 401ks. They're getting a match. Okay, they're saving on taxes that way. And then they're saving up to maybe buy their own property, of which we offer free management on for your first property here in Rhode Island. Now again, each office has their own way of doing things, but we're all on the same page because we want you to feel liberated, we want you to feel free, we want you to feel appreciated. And that's the atmosphere. Okay? We want you to grow. We want you to buy properties. We want you to learn. We want you to aspire upwards. This isn't just a regular old clock in, clock out. This is a lifestyle. It's a career. And a lot of the people that work here have capitalized on that opportunity. And so should you. So if you're interested in our maintenance technician position, and for more details, contact the local office in your area. I can tell you for a fact, we are always looking to add new, qualified, happy, and motivated team members to join, okay, to join our movement. Once again, Greg Rice from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.